Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.cpschool.uk. If you are entering this URL you can get this main page, Crown Private School Ajman. In this main page, menu available. In this menu you can get one option, careers. If you click this link, careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies, Crown Private School Ajman. So here, we will open doors for you. So careers, we are hiring 21-22 academic year, kindergarten homeroom teacher, primary homeroom teacher, subject teacher. For all the subject, teachers vacancies are available. So if you want to know more details about these job vacancies, you can click this link, view and apply. If you click this link, you can get another page, careers. So here they are giving one brochure, we are growing bigger. 21-22 we are hiring for August 2021. The open position are kindergarten homeroom, primary homeroom and subject for physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology. So all the subject teachers vacancies are available. So Crown Private School aims to create a dynamic and interactive learning environment where lasting love for learning outside the school curriculum is cultivated. The successful applicant for this position will be passionate about teaching and learning, hold relevant degree in bachelor or master or qualified teacher status, hold at least 2 years directly relevant teaching experience in British curriculum, teaching using inclusive strategies, value a learning that focus on a teacher reflection, self-assessment and growth, preferably native English speaker for KG and primary homeroom teacher, not for subject teachers, residing in UAE and willing to be relocated to Ajman. So we offer an inclusive work environment that promotes staff well-being and professional development. So send your application to careers@cpschool.uk. So here they are given. So if you are interested the job vacancies, you can submit your job application for online application, name, email ID, contact number, qualification, current role, position applied for teachers 21-22 academic year, address, then you can mention your comment. Finally you can upload your CV. Once you have uploaded, you can submit your application. So here apply now. If you click this apply now, the job application will be submitted. So this is online application form. Otherwise if you wish to send email, you can send your CV and your academic qualification, careers@cpschool.uk. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.jess.sch.ae. So I will give it to the direct link in the description. You can use and apply as per the instruction. So in this main page, left corner menu available. If you click this link, you can get one option, working at JESS. In this option, vacancies. If you click this link, vacancies, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for JESS. So application from unmarried couple will be considered only in accordance with UAE law. The school reserves right to make an earlier appointment if a suitable candidate identified. So here they are mentioned. The successful candidate will be subject to UK enhanced DPS or equivalent police check. So if you want further information, please see the Safer Recruitment Policy PDF here available. If you want more details about the Safer Recruitment Policy, you can check it here. How to apply? So please submit an application form along with your current curriculum vitae and a letter of application via email to recruitment@jess.sch.ae. So you can submit the application form with your CV and your cover letter to recruitment@jess.sch.ae. So please ensure the subject field of your email include the job title of the vacancy you are applying for to improve our shifting process. Only shortlisted applicant will be considered. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So what are the current vacancies? High level teaching assistant, classroom learning support assistant, school counselor, part-time school counselor, teacher of geography and humanities, receptionist and administrator, learning support assistant. So these are the vacancies. So here they have Jumeirah and Arabian branches. They have branches. They have selecting candidate for all the branches. The first one is high level teaching assistant. So here they are given. What is the successful applicant? So applicant must complete the JES application form and a letter of application and full CV to recruitment@jess.sch.ae. This job vacancy is for Jumeirah English Speaking School. The closing date of application Sunday 22nd August 2021. So application may be considered for early interviews for the appropriate candidate. Please note this position will be offered on a local contractual basis. The successful applicant must have their own sponsorship. So one by one you can click this link and check all the details. So this is classroom learning support assistant. The successful applicant will be able to commit enthusiastic to meet the needs of all learners. The same procedure. This job application also 22nd August 2021 the closing date. School counselor. So this job closing date is Thursday 24th June 2021. Part-time school counselor. So closing date application they are mentioned here. So please check before applying. Make sure before applying please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description etc. So job application form. So if we click this link JESS application form, it will comes on PDF. This is JESS Dubai job application form. This application form should take approximately 50 minutes to complete. There are 10 sections in this application form. The first one is personal details, details of higher education, teaching qualification, professional courses, present employment, previous employment, summarize any interest, health and absence from work, disciplinary issue, referees, then declaration. Once you have completed this job application form, you can attach your CV and cover letter and outlining your suitability for this position to recruitment@jess.sch.ae. So thank you for your interest in Jumeirah English Speaking School. We will require to send you the letter of application maximum of 2 pages and up to date CV maximum of 2 pages. Please ensure you have all documents ready to send this process. The third one is you can enter in the URL alimacademy.org. If you are entering this, you can get this main page, Muslim Community School and Alim Academy in this main page. So here we are hiring academic year 21-22. So if we click this link, you can get what is the teaching job vacancies for Alim Academy. So here now hiring for the 21-22 academic school year. daycare and early childhood teacher, elementary teacher, middle and high school subject teacher, mathematics, science and English. Do the following sound appealing to you? Small class sizes, well behaved and well mannered student, teaching in a beautiful facility, joining a welcoming faculty, participating in non-sectarian Muslim community. If you answered yes to any of the above question, please consider applying to Muslim Community School grade Key Stage 2 8 and Alim Academy grade 9 to 12. So send a cover letter and a resume to principal@alimacademy.org. So if you are interested, these job vacancies for daycare and early childhood, elementary teacher and middle and high school subject teacher for mathematics, science, English. So if you are interested, you can send your cover letter and CV to principal@alimacademy.org. So these are the things here mentioned. So make sure before applying, please check all the details. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Never stop trying. One day you will surely get a job. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, you can comment.